This is the ultimate geographical paradox, the Namib Desert, the world's oldest, most relentless sea of sand. And right here, it collides with one of the planet's most dangerous oceans. This is the skeleton coast of Namibia. The indigenous sand people called it the land God made in anger. For centuries, Portuguese sailors simply called it the gates of hell. The true killer here is not the wind, not the sun, and not the sand. It is the fog, a constant, dense, and suffocating moisture that shrouds the coast up to 320 days a year. This fog is the product of an extreme geographical anomaly. The very cold Benguela current flows up from the Antarctic, colliding with the superheated air of the desert. This condition ensures zero visibility, luring ships blindly into the Hello, I'm Aman. If you are ready for deep dive documentaries unpacking the geography of power, history, and the unknown, make sure to hit the subscribe button now. Please don't forget to like this video because it means a lot to me. Let's see what happens to the victims of the fog. The consequences of the fog is staggering. The Skeleton Coast is home to one of the largest ship graveyards in the world, estimated at over 1,000 vessels. The geographical trap is perfectly designed. The deadly surf makes landing impossible. A sailor could survive the wreck and make it ashore, but launching a life raft back to the sea was virtually impossible. They were instantly trapped between two immense forces. To the west, the freezing cold, nutrient-rich Benguela Current, making a swim to safety lethal. To the east, a featureless, arid desert hundreds of kilometers long, offering no food and no water. Survival was impossible. But the greatest paradox of this graveyard is time. Today, ships can be found miles inland. They were not pushed by colossal waves. The desert is quite literally growing out to sea. The sand is advancing permanently, swallowing the ocean and the vessels that fell victim to the fog. The geographical isolation didn't just trap sailors, it created one of the world's most unique ghost cities, Kolmenskop. The entire luxury town sprang up when diamonds were discovered in the relentless desert sand. The wealth was unimaginable, but the geography was unforgiving. When the diamonds ran out, the town was instantly abandoned. The oldest desert on earth wasted no time returning to claim its territory, permanently burying the fleeting history of human enterprise. And yet, life finds a way. Despite the extreme hostility, the ecosystem has adapted to the collision of geography. Desert-adapted lions and elephants live here. The lions hunt along the beaches, surviving not on fierce desert antelope, but on seals and whales that wash ashore. Even the smallest life depends entirely on the enemy. The deadly fog, this moisture which killed 1,000 sailors, is the only source of water for the unique plants and animals that call this dangerous paradox home. The Skeleton Coast is the ultimate geographical lesson, a place where the desert, the ocean, and the atmosphere conspire to trap, to destroy, and ultimately to endure. It stands as a powerful, ceaseless echo of nature's relentless power. If you want more documentaries unpacking the geography of power, history, and the unknown, subscribe now. Join us next week as we explore the ticking clock, tracking the world's 5 most dangerous supervolcanoes. Thank you for watching this video.